Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel. We have started a new project that is SJ Luciano Kurk, and first video has been made, but there were some problem with few peoples, that is they cannot understand my language, as you can see here. So first I will try to explain to them that what I did in last video, and then I will start this project. So what I did first was we had some references over here. So these pictures you can find it in description of the first video, and these are just the references that I got. So as you can see that we had some labels, so we just uh, took a reference from these pictures like this. So as you can see that we have started from underground level, that is -1 feet. We took it as -1 feet. Then the road level is at 0 feet, then ground level is at 5 feet, then upper ground level is at 12 feet. You can also write it as second level, as per your choice. After that we have the first roof, that is the ending of this ground level. So from here to here, this is our first level. After that, first roof ending, as you can see that this roof has started from here, and now you can see it's a little bit down, and then again it took a path in a upwards direction. And after that, what I did is this level, that is last roof, that is for this upper ground level roof. So this is how we determine our elevation. And after that, what I did, I just gone to elevation in architecture imperial and drawn this grid lines. So these are the elevation, and after that these are the grid lines which I draw. How I draw, let me tell you. That is, first I gone to ground level. We have started it from ground level, that because we have the ground level map first. So this is our ground level. I just inserted the image. You can see how I inserted it. So I did uh, that 2 to 3 times in my last video. And after that I just took references by the grid lines. That is, every wall that I had here, I just did a grid line on the top of it. So now you can see that there's a wall here, so I just put a grid line. Then there is a wall over here, then there's a wall in the middle of it, and here and here. So you can watch my last video. If you do not understand my language, then also you can see that what I did. So these are the things that I did. And after that, what I assumed is that this the these walls that are on this side are as a 9 inches, cause our external walls are 9 inches. So I took this wall as 9 inches from this side to this side. I took it as a whole, I think. And no, I took it till here, and then from this point we have that cut-in wall. So 9 inches wall on this side, 9 inches wall on this side, and after that 4.5 inches as the internal wall. So these walls that you can see in the inner part of the building, those are just 4.5 inches, and these are our curtain walls. So I just draw everything by the grids, and yesterday we had this result. And what else we need to do today is, first of all, we need to correct some mistakes that I did in the last video. So let's get started. So first mistake that I did was, as you can remember, we made the stairs and we removed the this what we call is the risers. Okay, so I just removed the risers, but what if you want the risers in your project? So let's put our risers back. So just, you can see how I did it. So first I selected these stairs, then go to edit type, then go to run type. Run type, we have a small window over this side, and in run type you can just activate your risers. And as soon as I activate my risers, now you can see that our just doesn't look right. So how we can correct it? So I got a way here how to do it. So just select the stair, and now you can see that desired number of stair is 6. If you do it as 7, and now you can see that our riser just got attached to our wall. So what we need to do is to move this stair a little bit. So just move it a little. Okay, till here it is fine. After that, at this point, you can see that our riser is on the top of this floor. So just select this stair, and now you can see that number of desired stair is 7. You can just put it as 8, and now you can see that our riser just connected to our floor. And on this side also, just select the stair and put it as 8. And now what we need to do, now you can see that we have just 2 to 3 inches gap over here. I think it's 2 inches, so we will just increase our base offset. So just select this stair, and the base offset is 0, so you can just put it as 2 inches and press OK. It's fine. So now it's almost there. Let me see, just a second. Okay, I think I have selected this stair, not this one. So just select this stair and give it a height offset of 2 inches. Done. Okay, and now you can see that we have got a perfect stair with our risers. So this is how you do it. So yesterday there were some problem, and what else we had, let me see, did we had other problem? No. And we have not made our underground level. So today, first we will start from our underground level. So just go to road level, and yesterday I told you that you can load your map. So your floor plan, that is from this place. This is our ground level. So how to load it? You can go to insert. So just go to architecture, not in architecture, in insert, then load import image. Yeah, on import image, go to the file where you have saved it. So for me, it is somewhere, I think here. Okay, and I will just enlarge it, and now you can see that we have ground level. So I've just pressed OK, and now you can see that our ground level is here, and put it at a side. And then what we need to do is, as you can remember, we took this as a 2 feet 6 inches distance. So first we will go to architecture, draw a model line, and model line is from here to here. And now you can see that from this point to this point, the size is 4 feet, and we need to reduce it. Then so just select this image. Okay, just remember you have to select it first. After that, you can see here there is an option that is scale. Click on it, and after scaling, just press on the end point and on the starting point, and now you can see that it is showing ki how much area do you want for that one. So I will just type it as 2 feet 6 inches and press enter. So एक बार मैं इसे हिंदी में बता देता हूँ आपको. तो मैंने क्या किया, जस्ट मैंने अंडू किया, देन मैं मॉडल लाइन पे गया. ये मैं दोबारा से बता रहा हूँ जानबूझकर, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है इसमें. सो मैंने यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक लाइन ली, उसके बाद इस लाइन को मैंने सेलेक्ट किया. ओके, नॉट दिस लाइन, दिस इमेज को मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, इस इमेज को. उसके बाद यहाँ पे मैंने स्केल पे क्लिक किया, एंड स्केल में जाने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे एंड पॉइंट को पकड़ना है और इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट को जो मॉडल लाइन की थी उसे पकड़ना है. एंड देन ये देखिए हमारी साइज दिखा रहा है. सो हमें यहाँ पे इसकी साइज, आप चाहें तो यहाँ से डायरेक्ट 2 फीट 6 इंचेस पे लाकर लेफ्ट माउस क्लिक करेंगे तो हो जाएगा, या फिर आप यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हैं अपने कीबोर्ड से 2 फीट 6 इंचेस एंड प्रेस एंटर. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी दैट हमारी जो इमेज है वो स्केल हो गई है. सो आफ्टर वी हैव स्केल्ड इट, we will put it over this side. So now you can see that if we put over here, okay, on this side, and now we will try to match this stairs that is a downside with this stair that we made. So just put it on this side, and I think it's done. So this is our stair. I think it's a little bit bigger, but okay, we will go with it. And now we will need to draw some walls from this side. So this wall starts from the underground level. So just take wall, and here we need a 9 inches wall. So select 9 inches wall, and on 9 inches wall, now you can see that we have our grid lines over this point. So just select wall face interior, and from this point start drawing your wall. Okay, you can select wall face exterior and start drawing your wall. And before starting, let's see that our base constraint is at road level right now, but we need it to underground level. So just select underground level, and here at the top constraint is road level, or you can go for ground level. Okay, now our top constraint is actually ground level for this one. So we will start making our drawing wall, but remember that we need to start it from this point, that is our grid line. So from this point to this point, I know that it's not looking right, but if you will see afterwards, this would look almost the way we want. So, and on this side we don't need a wall, we need a curtain wall. There's a sliding door in this place. So what we will do is, first we will select 4.5 inches wall, and then select wall center line, and from this place to this place just make a wall. And after that, what else we need to do is go to curtain wall, and on curtain wall select it from this point to this point. You can move it if you want. Okay, so I've just moved it to the grid line. You can just draw it on the grid line. So before making it, just watch video once, and then you start drawing it. So there will be no room for confusion. Right now I'm just drawing it live, so I cannot make changes. And just go to walls once again, and this wall, let me show you in the image. Where is our wall? Okay, this part. So you can see that it has been started from the ground level and not the underground level. This is our road level. So from road level to the ground level, if we see it from the different side, yes, now you can see that we have we have this wall from the ground level, but this one starts from the ground level, and this is from the underground level, and this is that plus sign wall, as you can see from the image. This one, this is square side. So we will make it. So just select your line and select wall center line and just draw it like this, and from this point to this point. And we did a mistake, that is मैंने यहाँ पे गलती कर दी है. So just go to walls again. Up, if you want, you can do Control Z for undo. And we selected the wrong wall, so just go to 9 inches wall, and over here, let me see. Okay, I've just deleted the curtain wall, and just go to wall, and we have 9 inches wall, and it start from the road level to the ground level. Done. And then select wall center line or any of this that you have in your option. So I will just select the wall center line and draw a wall from this side, and draw a wall from this side, and from this side to this side, and from this side to this side, and try to maintain your wall on the grid lines even if the image doesn't match it. So I just drew it, and after that, let's see. So as you can see, if I show you from the back or the front level, let me show you from the front side. Okay, so these walls that is at the downside, these are just on the underground level, that is 1 foot lower than this one, and this is perfect with this road level. So this is how we wanted it. And now let's get to our project once again. And what else we need to draw? First, I will press HR on the keyboard for to unhide everything. And let's see what else we need to draw right now. So you can select this wall, and let me show you one more thing, that is right now it doesn't show any color. If you can see, it's just gray. So you can do one thing, select this wall or any of the wall that is 9 inches wall, go to edit type, go to edit, and go to by category. Okay, and links for everything you will find in the description. So for on the first tutorial, in the first tutorial, I have made available everything, so you can see that one from there. So right now we need to make a wall that is wood wall. So just press wood. Okay, rename it as a wood, that default material. Then select one dot wood, and you can go to asset library. You can search for wood. Maybe we have some wood over here. Okay, I don't think we need this type of wood. As you can see from the image, we need something like this. So what we will do, we will make our own material. So just select this wood material, go to appearance, go for the image, and wherever you have images of that type of, let me see, no, I don't need this one. I need something different, so I've just selected from the image. And what type of wood do I want? Let me see if I have something. So not this also. Let me see these textures. Okay, this is the one I need. So I will upload this wood pattern in the description. So I've opened it and gave it a height offset of, I mean scale of 5 feet. If you will reduce it, it will be much more closer. I think you can also give it at 7 feet, because in 7 feet we are getting this number of bumps. So okay, for 7 feet it is fine. And then just go to bump and upload the second image that we have, and you can select it here. Just open it and scale it at 7 feet. 7 feet done. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, अपने इमेज को लिया है, मैंने इमेज सेलेक्ट किया है एंड इसकी स्केलिंग जो है 7 फीट कर दिया, और हमने जो बम्प हमारे पास था उसे भी सेलेक्ट किया है और इसे भी 7 फीट मैंने कर दिया. सो आफ्टर दैट you can reduce its glossiness of the wood, and let me see, and amount of the bump, that is, you can increase it to more than 550. Always remember, if we do it now, you can see that we have got some texture over here as 3D, and just press OK and OK, and now you can see that every wall that we have of 9 inches has got this pattern. But there's one more problem, and that is, let me tell you that okay, now you can see that from the image that we have vertical lines over here and horizontal lines over here, and if you can see the image, we have some vertical lines, so we need to change its orientation. So just go to edit type, edit, or you can also go to materials. From here, manage materials, and select this wood. Go to appearance, select this image, and just rotate it by 90 degree. So here you can see that position we have, and you can rotate it to 90, and done. And now you will see that it has been rotated. Before it was like this, and now it is like this. But I think that we need to give more space over here, so you can do this scaling at 10 feet. Done. And go to bump once again and rotate it 90 degree, and we have a scaling of 10 feet. Done, done, done. Apply. Okay, and now you will see that we have wood of this pattern. If you want to increase its size, you can still increase it. For example, if I want to do it at 20 feet, just go to material, and remember, this is a very high size, that is why we are getting this small patterns, and we need to increase its size once again. So I just close it, and okay, so what we need to do is just increase its scaling to 20 feet, and also a bump, and maybe there's some background noise that are coming, so there's some construction ongoing in my house, so there's a problem. Okay, so just 20 feet, and now you can see that we have something of this type, and we will also see that we will also change this color to this one afterwards. So let's just skip it like this way right now, and this is done. And what else we need to do? Now you can say that we have got almost this type of uh, wood pattern, and we have to change side over this side, so we will change it later, or we can change it right now. Let me see if I can. Okay, I just go to back, go to edit, and let me see, we have to hide this one, and now go to edit profile and line, and from this point, okay, what we can do is we can just take a line from this point to this point, and we will make a line from this ending point, and just trim it from here to here. And then what else we can do is either you can select it from this point to this point, or if I do undo, and you can split it. SL is the shortcut for split, or you can select it from here, then just split it, delete this segment, and then trim it. So from here to here, these are the two ways to trim it, and just press OK. And now you will see that we have something. If I press HR, we have something of this type. So it's a little bit outside. We'll just increase the size of this wall till, let me see if we really need to increase its size. I don't think so. Let me check once again. A little bit. So just take this side, okay, and increase its size. So as you can remember, this is not as per our drawing, so but still we are going with the images that we have reference image. So with that one, okay, from here to here, remove constraint and press OK and done. So यहाँ तक हमारी ये building बन चुकी है, and after that what we need to do, let me see if it's really outside. No. So select this one, go to back, edit profile, and just keep it till here with this alignment. Press OK and done. And now you go to 3D, and now you can see that we have something of that type. And what else we need to do is we need to apply the same material over this point. So just select this roof, go to edit type, go to edit, and here we have this by category. Click on this three dot, select this roof that we have made earlier, and press OK and press OK. And now you can see that we have something of this type, but what we want is something of same side. It is on the same side, I think. Let me see. Okay, these are on the same side. And is it what if I do it from this side? Okay, we will see it afterwards later on. We can make changes. We have this other side that we are viewing, so both sides are right now pretty much equal. So I will see what else we need to do afterwards. So let's get started with our curtain wall right now. And as you can see that these walls that we made earlier are overlapping, so just select all this wall. You can also select it from the downside, just select like this, or from the upper side with control button, and then just press on this attach top base and click on this floor and done. And now you can see that this floor has been attached to this one. And let me see that is our floor of the same material. Okay, this outer floor are of the same material, so we can make some changes. So just okay, afterwards, right now let me select the same material for this one, and let me see once again, is it okay? These are the horizontal ones. So what we need to do is first go to materials, and we need to duplicate this one, okay, and we will write its name as First one was horizontal, so we will write its name as vertical. Okay, done. And then go to appearance and make a duplicate of it first. Always remember, if you are duplicating any material, then duplicate the appearance of it. Then go to this image, and we have rotated it 90 degree. You can do it at 0 degree, and okay. And the bump also, you can keep it at 0, and done. And apply it, apply, done. And now select this floor, go to edit type, go to edit by category, and now you can select the vertical, and okay, and okay, and done. So now you can see that now we have everything was of wood. We will make its color a little bit whiter afterwards. What else we need to do? Let me see. So this is our curtain wall. And if I hide the side walls, for example these two walls, I've just made it hidden. Double H to hide, select and double H. And over this place, let me see. If you can see, we don't need this glass after this stairs, so we will do one thing, that is go to edit type, close. Okay, after that select this pick lines, and okay, we cannot pick lines over here, so just select this line. And let me check once again. Okay, you can select this pick lines. Yes, so as you can see, we have just picked the line from here, that is from the stair. And after that press escape, select this one, and either you can just take it like this way, just यहाँ से आप पकड़ के इसे आगे ले जा सकते हैं, या फिर मैंने अंडू के यहाँ पे कंट्रोल जेड, एंड यहाँ से आप ट्रिम करा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ से मैंने यहाँ तक ट्रिम करा दिया. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट द वॉल हैज बीन ट्रिम्ड, एंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट to this point, okay, undo it, from this point to this point. Now it's fine. On this side, press OK. Let me see, there's one overlapping line. Let me check it. Okay, so just trim it from this point to this point, and if you want that it should come till here, and from here, let me show it in hidden line. Okay, now you will understand that we have a wall till here, so you can do it in this way, and TR for the trim, and just select it from here to here, and trim it from this point to this point, and done. And just press OK, and now you will see that this is our curtain wall in 3D. Let me show you consistent color. Yes, this is perfect on this side, and we need to make it perfect from this side also. So go to back side, go to edit profile, close this one, select this pick lines, select this wall, trim TR from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, and done. And let me see. Okay, there's something wrong over here, so just from this point to this point to this point. Okay, done. And just delete it, and now you can see that we have overlapping line, so just trim it from this point to this point. Okay, and okay, there's one more problem, it's gone. So I will just pick the lines once again, and you can draw it from here to here and trim it, and you can put it a little bit further. Done. And here you can do as TR, done, and just press OK, and now you will see that we have perfect curtain wall on the both sides. I think so. Okay, this is not our curtain wall. Okay, this part has been done, so press HR, and everything is at the place. And let me see. Okay, there's some problem over here. I think there's a overlapping wall, so I just deleted that wall right now, and done. After that, we have made this wall, and yes, we have to attach this wall till this upper ground level. So just select all of this wall like this, and okay, not like that, just select this one of the wall, and okay, we will have to select it one by one. So I've just selected this one, you can change this side with the shift key and the middle mouse button, and this one. So these are the three walls that we have, and from here you can do it as up to upper ground level. Done. So these are fine, and this wall to upper ground level, and this curtain wall till upper ground level. Done. Now you can see that we have perfected our drawing. And if we go to 3D, let me see, is it, yeah, okay. From the image you can see that our this walls started from the underground level and it is up to this level, so it is done. And what else we need to do is we need to match these walls. So let me see, let me hide this image. So just select this image and press double H on your keyboard, and these are our walls. And upper ground level, just go to upper ground level, just hide this image, and in the visualization you can base range level up to ground level. And now you can see that we have our wall over here done. This is our stairs, so it is almost fine, and these are our floors till this place. So I think that it's almost perfect for this one. So just select the inner walls. For example, first select these walls and double S to hide, and now you can see that there are some overlapping walls over here. So just select this one, attach top base with this floor. And what else we have, and select this wall, attach top base with this one. Done. And what other wall we have, this last wall, select this wall, and let me see if I can do that. Select this wall, attach top base with this one, a joint element. Done. Okay, there's some problem. Okay, let me hide this wall, and let's see what is the problem. Okay, if you can't change it, in case there's something wrong with it, you can just select it from here and put it on the downside, and it's done. After that, we need to increase the floor size, so just go to edit boundary, and now you can just align it with this one, or you can do one more thing, just cancel it and go to upper ground level, select the floor, edit boundary line, and now you can see that we can put it till this side and press OK and attach top base and joint element. Done. And now you can see everything is almost done except one thing, and that is, let me see, this wall. Select this wall and hide this one. So we have some problem over this side, so we will make changes to it. So what problem do we have is, go to edit profile. Okay, not of this one. Either you can reduce the size of this stair, that we cannot do right now, or we can just manipulate our drawing a little bit. So we have both the options. Let me see the drawing first. Acha. So if I go with the drawing, we have, let me see, our flow till this point. Okay, and I think that this wall would be a little bit off on this side, so we will just move this the ground level wall. So just move it a little bit till this grid line. As I told you that we have to make everything on the grid. If you do something wrong, there will be wrong with our project also. So I have made changes to this grid line. Let me see. No, it has not been changed. So let me see, and let's go to the ground level. Okay, I just undo it, and this is the wall that we have, and you can put it on this side, and I think it's done. So now if you see in 3D, now it's fine, almost fine. this still some problem, but we can manage that. Just go to this ground level and make it a little bit smaller, unjoint element done. And now go to 3D, and as you can see that we yes, okay, done till this point. And just select this wall, attach top base with this one, unjoint element done. Okay, this one more problem, so just take it till this point and done. So it's done. And now as you can see that our stairs are not attached to the wall on that side and on this side also. So we can do one thing, that is just go to ground level, and not on the ground, on upper ground level, and edit boundary, and we can increase its size. Let me see. Okay, done on this side, and on this side a little bit, and done. Okay, save the project. Always remember to save your project and attach unjoint element. Everything will be attached to it right now. Okay, done. So okay, done. You can reduce its size a little bit afterwards. So this is how you can do it, and everything is perfect right now. Just press the HR on your keyboard, and now I will teach you a new thing, that is making a family. So as you can see from the images that we have a grid line. Let me show you. Not grid line, this mullions that we have is a like frame type structure on this grid. So we can make it by two ways, that is one, just putting the grid lines and we will put the mullions, or we can draw a full new curtain panel. So that is what I'm going to do with this project. So I will draw a new curtain panel, and if you are not able to do, if you will not be able to do this, you can find the description. I will be uploading that family in the description. So let's just do it. Let me show you first what I'm going to do. So right now what option we have is, you can just go to this, and from here you can give a curtain grid. For example, just go to architecture, go to curtain grid, and the curtain grid you can just take it as, for example, I took the first grid at 5 feet, second grid at, let me see what we have in the image. So I think it's almost at 8 feet, 8 feet, or 6-7 feet. So it is upon your choice. So let me see how much it is first, and then I will assume it. So our whole panel was of something. Okay, this whole panel is of size 36 feet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see that we have panel of something 8 to 9 feet over here, over here. So middle one, I think it's a gate. You can see that from this side, or okay, we will consider it as curtain wall only. So 9 feet, 9 feet, and 9 feet, still there's more, so we will consider it as 10 feet, 10 feet, and 10 feet, and 6 feet. Okay, so you can give a grid line of 10 feet, 10 feet, and 6 feet. So just go to the front. Okay, I don't think it's of the front side. Okay, this one is the front side, but where we are trying to do is, okay, this side. Just go to this front side. For me it is the right side, for you it may be in the front. So just select this one, go to the view that you are in, go to architecture, and then curtain grid, and we need to give it a is of 10 feet. So first one, 10 feet, done. And I don't think it will be of that size, so I will reduce its size, okay, to 9 feet. Again, architecture, curtain grid, and okay, this we can get it off 8 feet. Let me see. Is it of really 36 feet? No. So this is our front glass. Okay. So go to broad level. Okay, not on the broad level, on this level. And this is our back panel, and this is our front panel, and this is of the size. It's not mentioned. So what we can do, go to right side. Let me check it. Not this one. This is our back view. Is it? So actually I'm not getting its size. Okay, this is what I have selected, and just I did DI as the shortcut, and from this place to this place we have 24 feet. If this curtain wall that is 24 feet, so we can take it as 8 feet, 8 feet and 8 feet. No, that will still be a larger size. So 7 into 3, that is 21, and this is of 3 feet. Still we need one more feet over here, so we will keep it as 4 feet, and 8 7 that is 14, and middle one is 6. So this I will get it as 4 feet. So done. Okay, so just go to 3D, and this grid that we have to divide is of 7 feet, then 6 feet. Again take a go to architecture, take a grid line, and here you can give it a size of 7 feet. So we have left over this point, that is 4 feet. So done. After that, let me see. Okay, so we need to make a family, a new family. So maybe some of you have never made a family from scratch. So I will upload the family file, and just a minute, there's someone on my door. So we have to make a new family at this point. So what we will do is just go to file, and here you can see that we can go to new and then family, and then make, let me see if there's, okay, go to English Imperial, and what we have to make is curtain wall. So let me show you first. So this mullions that you can see, we will just create it as a frame outside this curtain wall. So let me show how we do it. Just go to curtain wall panel, open it. Okay, so this is our exterior view, this is our interior view. So we need to take some reference line. So RP is the shortcut for the reference plane, actually not reference line, reference plane. So this is what we need to take. So just click RP on your keyboard, and we will draw 1 2 on the upper side and 2 on the lower side. So this is how we draw reference plane. Okay, so reference plane has been drawn. After that, what we need to do is to give some setbacks. So we will also draw 2 more reference plane on this side. So let me also tell you in Hindi that what I'm going to do. तो मैंने यहाँ पे रेफरेंस प्लेन लिया है. यहाँ पे हम एक कर्टन वॉल बनाने जा रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर हम एक यहाँ पे पैनल भी लगाएंगे. सो हमारी ड्राइंग में जो है डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे पैनल भी आ जाएगी एक बार में. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे बस एक न्यू फैमिली बनानी है. सो आपने फैमिली बनाने के तरीकों को देखा होगा, एंड देन वी विल कम ओवर हियर एंड वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सम रेफरेंस लाइन. सो हम यहाँ पे 2 रेफरेंस लाइन ऊपर बनाएंगे, 2 रेफरेंस लाइन नीचे बनाएंगे. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है इज, let me see. Okay, so we will put a line over here. So just take distance, DI as a shortcut. Okay, and distance from this point to this point, and from this point to this point and make it equal. Okay, so these are this has been done. After that, again press DI and take a space from here to here. What is the distance between these two planes? So this is 10 feet. You can modify it. For example, if I do it at 4 feet, so either you can do here 2 inches, and now you will see that we got it as 4 inches and 2 inches on both sides. So this is done. After that, we need to do is to, let me see, we need to provide some frame thickness, and this is our glaze thickness at this point. So we will rename it as glass thickness. So just select this one, and now you can see that we have an option over here, create parameter. Then you can create it as glass thickness, and done. Okay, and after that, what else we need to make is we need to give some space to this point. Just a second. Okay, so I took this size. Okay, just undo it, and glass thickness is from this side. Actually, the outer side will be our glass thickness. So just DI from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, and select any one of the point, go to parameter and just rename it as a new parameter, that is our glass underscore thickness. Okay, and select this one, go to label, and now you can see that we already have a frame over here, that is glass thickness. Done. Okay, so these two sides, and you can reduce its size. After that, what we need to do is just go to create extrusion, and before that we need to make some changes. So as you can see that we have made our glass thickness, and just go to this, that is family types, and here you will find that glass thickness, that is our glass thickness would be just 1 inches. Apply it. Okay, and 1 inches done. Okay, this is our glass thickness. Just go to create extrusion, and go to this rectangle, draw a rectangle at this point, and draw a rectangle at this point. Okay, after that press align, or you can select align from this place, and then first select the alignment place, that is this plane. We have to align it with this plane, so just select it, and remember that you have to lock it. If you do not lock it, your family will be showing wrong results. So I've just selected this reference line, and then this line, this extrusion line. So उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, we will select this second line and reference line and press lock. Always remember to press this lock button. Then select this plane, and done. Then select this plane and select this plane, and I think they okay, not this one. Select, undo it. Okay, we have to put it till this side. So AL for align, select this one and select this one. Now it is fine, and just lock it. So this is how we do it. And after that we will do the same thing with this one. Select this one, lock it. Select this one, lock it. Select this one, lock it. Select this one and lock it. So this is done, and now just press OK, and now you will see that we have something of walls, but we have not provided a material for this. So you can see that we can select it in this wall first, and then you can see that we have our material over here, but we will not select material from this point. We will select this, we will make it as a instance parameter. So just press over here, go to this new parameter and rename it as material, and in the parameter you can select it as instant parameter. So just done. Okay, and now what we will do is select this one, go to this family types. Okay, without selecting also you can go to family type, that is not a problem. And from here go to by category, press on three dots, and we have glass material over here, so we will just select that one as our material and press OK and OK and OK. And now you can see that we have a transparent type of material. You can also change its color to consistent color or the solid color to see its color. So this is our glass panel that we made. So this is how family is made. And what else we need to do is just go to exterior and then select this one, and remember that, let me see if we have any other material. Okay, so just select this one and lock it, select this one and lock it. So it's done. And now if you go to 3D, now you will see that we have changed its size. After that we need to make a frame over here. So this wall is I mean this current panel is of two panels, and just go to exterior. And what else we need to do is, okay, there's one more problem, that is we have not provided a reference plane for the setback on this part. So you can either undo it or make it smaller. For example, if I just make it smaller, remove constraint, make it smaller, remove constraint, and then go to RP. RP is for reference plane, and we will draw a reference plane from this side to this side and from this side to this side. And I think that we have not made something for the frame thickness, so we will just di. Di is the shortcut. You can also go to annotate and align, and now you can select from here to here, and at this point di from here to here, and done. And just select this one. Let me see, we have not given its parameter, so just we will give it a new parameter, that is frame underscore thickness. Okay, and frame thickness is of 4 inches. We do not want it is of, we don't want it as 4 inches, we will keep it at 2 inch. Done. And now we will select this dimension, go to label and label it as frame thickness. Done. After that select this one, put it till here, lock it. Select this one, put it till here, lock it. And what else left is that go to reference line once again, and these are the reference line that we have, but reference plane that we have, but it is not shown in the drawing that side. So just increase its size for once, and then we will see in the exterior side. No, we don't have. So either you can make this reference plane on this point. So I will just select RP, and I can make it from this point, or let me see. Okay, what I did is I just selected this panel, just select this panel, double S to height, and we have reference plane at this point. Just increase its size from this point and from this point so that we can see it clearly. Now you can press H up to get it back, our panel. And what we need to make it is a sweep for the outer frame. So just go to sweep, and then you can sketch a path or pick a path. So in this one I will do is I will just sketch a path, then select this pick lines, and we will pick this lines, pick lines, select this exterior lines, this exterior ones. Okay, and one more thing, I didn't just undo it all. Just first select this one and then lock it. Always remember that you have to lock it. Select this one, lock it, select this one, lock it, and select this one and lock it, and then we need to do is trim it. Trim, 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 and trim. So done. TR is the trim shortcut, and then press OK. Now we have a frame, but we need to draw a profile. So just select this one and go to edit profile, and now Revit will give you a suggestion of which in which direction you can make it. So in the left elevation or the right elevation. So I will select the first one. Go to open view, and in open view you can draw anything, not anything, something like this without giving a proper distance to it. So if you are not able to make it, I will attach this file. So this is how we draw it. Then just go to align, select this one, lock it, select this one, lock it, and then let me see. Okay, just put it at this side, align, and align it with this one and this one, lock it, and align from this side to this side and lock it, align from this side to this side and lock it, align from this side and this side and lock it, align from this point to this point and lock it. So this has been done. And what else we can do is, we have not provided any distance to this one, so we will just go to annotate, select this align, AL is the is the shortcut, and from here, okay, DI is the shortcut, not AL. AL is for the align and DI is for the dimension. We are going to take a dimension over here, so I just took a dimension that is of 1 inches, and then you will just give it a let me see why I can't put here. So this is how it is done, and now you will see that we have you need to do a zoom out, and you will see a lock button. So just press this lock button. So now 1 inches distance has been locked, and then just press escape, press OK, and then press OK, and now you will see that we have a frame and with glass panel. This is how it is done, and I think there's something wrong. So what we need to do is, we have to lock this side. So this is what I told you about, that if you do not lock your reference, then there will be some problem. So what I'm going to do is, okay, this is not the problem. Problem is this one. So just go to this front view, edit sweep. Okay, so page done. Just select this one. If I lock it this way, it's not going to be locked. So I just undo it, go to exterior, and where is our glass panel? This is our exterior panel, I think. Go to reference line. This is our reference line, that is 2 inches. Okay, this is 3 inches from this side and 3 inches from this side. We have not. Okay, just select this one dimension. I have not provided dimensions, so select this from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, and then give it a label of frame thickness, and lock it, and give it a, select this dimension, frame thickness 2 inches. It's already been locked, and now if I see it in 3D, now everything is just fine as the way we want. So this is our glass panel, and what else we need to do is to provide the material to the frame. So just select this frame, the outside frame, and now you can see that we can either select it directly from here, or you can make a instant parameter. So we can write its name as frame material. Okay, and okay, and then select this, go to this one, that is family types and frame material. Just go to here, create new material, rename it as 1 dot aluminum, and then go to asset and select it metal, that is anodized black, apply it. Okay, and if you see it in realistic view, you will get something like this. So this is what we want. So this is how we make family, and just load it into your project. Go to 3D view, and what we need to do is select this panel with tab, and you will see that we have a glaze panel over here. Just click on this drop down menu and upload this, select this family that we have made, that is family 1. I will upload this family afterwards, and let me see it in realistic view. And now as you can see that we have a frame like this type that we want, something of this type. So this is how we make it. So I could have gone a different route, that also I will tell you later on what we could have done over here. So just select this curtain panel and go to family 1. Done. Select this panel, go to family 1 and select this panel, go to family 1, and everything is done. So there's something overlapping, I think, if I see it in this way. Okay, you can also increase the size of this what we say, that mullions on the side, and maybe we need to make something on this top side. So we are not going to make any changes, we will draw it with our model in place. So we will do it later on, or let me see what else we can do. Then select this one and hide it, double S to hide. And on this side, that is our back side, just go to this place and give it a offset of, I mean the cutting grid, we need to make it of. First cutting grid is a bit too long, that is I think almost 7 to 8 feet. Let me see, is it of 8 feet? uh, 8 feet, then 2 feet and 5 feet. Let me see. So we are just making assumptions. You just select this panel. Okay, just select cutting grid, and I will do it at 7 feet, then 4 feet. Our second row, 4 feet 6 inches, done. And over here, so we will give it a size of 4 feet, and let me see, is it right? 4 feet and 6 feet. Okay, done. So this is how we make it. Go to architecture, not on architecture. Okay, now we need to change its family. So just select this one and select this family. You can also go with a easy route, that is just go to mullions and select this one, and now you can see that we have a mullion at this place. But what we need to do is just go to edit type of the mullions, this mullion or any mullion that you want, you can change its size. So I will just for showing you, I will change it to this one to aluminum. Okay, first duplicate it. Anything that you are making from the changing from the family, you remember to change, it's make a duplicate of it. So just I will do is a black mullion. Okay, and then select a material from this point, and I think here this aluminum. Done. And just select this one, select this one, select this one, and select this one. And if I show you it in 3D realistic view, you can see that both thing is of same type. So here our frame is of same type, and here our mullion is of same type. So I just wanted to tell you that this can be done in both ways, but I wanted to make you familiar with our families. So this is how we do it. So you can undo it, and if you have made a family, then it is fine. Or you can just take grids and then just make mullions over here. Just put mullions over here. So we have made our family. So we will just select this one and just go to family 1, select this one and go to family 1. Done. So I will upload this family for you reference, or you can also use it in your project. So this is how our site looks. If you can see it from here, this is how it looks. And over here, if you want to increase, let me see. Okay, we do not need to increase this size. We just need to do is just put something on the top of it. So either we can make a family, or we can do it by model in place. So in this place I will use model in place to do that. And what else we have? We have this side. So just go to the left side, and on this view you can do one more thing, that is isolate it. So HI is the isolate shortcut. So you can isolate it in this way. And then let me see, just go to any of the back view that we have. Okay, this is our back view, and first, second, so 3 feet, 5 or 8 feet, and then 3 to 4 feet, then again 3 to 4 feet. So how we can do it is, we will not hide it, just HR. Okay, always remember to save your project. So go to this view and go to hidden line, go to cut and grade, and from this image we can see that till our bedroom, that is on this side, yes, there is 1 and 2 panels. So let me see, where is our bedroom? I think this one or this one is our bedroom. I cannot figure it out right now. Okay, this is our bedroom. So just go to this view and give it a smaller, and then give it a larger size mullion. So on this both side I have given a mullion, and let me see what is the size of this mullion. Okay, not mullion, this cut and grade. So one grade is at this point, and second grade is at, okay, second grade I have not given. Just go to grade, and okay, I'll just put it wherever it is. So I'll just put it over here and give it a size of 8 feet. Done. So this is how you can give mullions. Or if you want to reduce its size, so I want it in the middle of it, so I will just reduce it to 7 feet 10 inches. Done. And in the middle, okay, 1 inches low, and done. This is how I put a mullion. You can give it by your size. Then this is done. So we have 2 windows over here. So I can see 4 walls, so 2 walls over here and 2 walls over here. Just go to left view, go to cut and grade, and our wall starts from this point. I cannot find its end right now. Okay, this side to this side, and from this side again, this side to middle of it, and then from here. Done. Okay, so we will just match it with our grids. So first of all, I have made grids on all the sides, and let me see if I can see the fine details. Wireframe, no wireframe is needed. Shaded, and in shaded you can see that we have at 7 feet 9 inches. Then we have 6 feet distance. This is done, and in the middle we have one more grid, I think. Okay, to this place, and we have a grid at this place over here. So you can just go to grid and provide a grid on the middle, and you can provide a grid on the middle, and then select this panel, this one first, go to this family 1, go to this, select 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 family 1, and go to this, select family one, and there are two more. That is, select this one. With tab key, I am selecting everything. If you cannot select, just put your mouse over here, press tab, and then left mouse click and family one. Select this one and press on family one. And this is how you make your door. But there is one more problem, that is we have to increase its size 2 foot 9 inches. You can do it at 3 feet, and now you can see that we have a wall over here at this point. And do we have the second wall? So you can see that we have one more wall over this point. So you can just go to upper ground floor and increase the size of this walls. For example, I'm just putting it till this side, and then we will decrease the size of those panels. Okay, done. And on this side till here, I think it's not a curtain wall in this place, so we will just change it to 4.5 inches wall. So select 4.5 inches wall, and this is here 4.5 inches wall done. And what else we need to do? I've just deleted the wall on this side, and this is our panel done right. And we have, okay, just go to this, increase the wall size and reduce the panel size. Okay, so now you can see your wall coming outside. So you can reduce your panel size. For example, we have 3 feet 1 inches, you can do it at 3 feet, and now you can see that our panel is coming out of it. So you can also reduce it to 2 feet 9 inches. For example, I just did 2 feet 11 inches. 11 inches done. And you can also reduce it a little bit more, but I will keep it. And then we have this curtain panel. On this side we have a curtain grid, so just press tab to select the curtain grid. Okay, and we have curtain grid of 2 feet 11 inches, that is, and you can reduce it to 2 feet 8 inches. Done. Let me see, is it right? No, control Z, undo. This one has been done, and this is not yet done. So we will have to reduce the size of this wall first, so that we can find our curtain grid. So where is our curtain grid? I think somewhat here. Let me see. Okay, and here 2 feet 11 inches. Yes, we can do it as 2 feet 9 inches. Okay, okay. So we cannot make changes at this place, so we will keep it like this way and just attach this wall. And you can make changes from this point also. So we can reduce its size 2 feet 11 inches, that is 2 feet 9 inches. If I do it, actually it is all attached. We would have done one more thing, that is we would not have attached it, so we could have made changes, but okay, this is fine. This doesn't look bad. So just 2 feet 9 inches, 2 feet 10 inches. Okay, and that part has been done. Select this part, reduce its size, and just put it on the middle of it. So just select it from here, panel, and then you will see that we have the size of it, so we can reduce its in size to 2 inches. So 2 feet 10 inches done. And okay, one more inches we need to change, that is 2 feet 11 inches, and I think it will be perfect. So no, it's not perfect yet, so I will just increase the size by half inches, so 1/2 inches, and done. Okay, not yet done. So 10.5 inch, 10 1/2 inches, and done. So this is how we do it. And now you can see that we have a wall over here. You can just put it outside like this, and now you will see that our wall is at this point and everything is almost right. So this part has been done, this part has been done, and this glass part has been done. What else we need to do is make the kitchen, and then we have to do something of this On the top floor, that is our toilet. If you see in the images, we have to make one bedroom, second bedroom, one toilet, second toilet. Maybe these are not the toilets, so I will figure it out what it is in the next tutorial. And this is our living room type, so we can make it right now, but I will, let me see what is time. So I will just stop recording it at this place. I will make this kitchen and this living room. So I think we need one more tutorial to do interior things, and then we will do the exterior part in one more tutorial. So two more tutorials will be needed to complete this project. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. And if you have not understood anything, you can write comment. And everything that I did in this project I will be uploading with the file, so you can also get this file right now in the description. Maybe I will upload it afterwards, so I will get it in an hour or two if you watch it. So thank you for watching and stay tuned, and always remember to save this project. So all right, I'm closing this project. Okay, and remember one more thing. I did forget to say that always remember to save your family. So just save this family and save as it as, I can rename it as, okay, not in this folder. This one, go to family and rename it as glass panel. And in save option, just make one copy, save, done. Okay, everything has been saved, and we have reached 109 subscribers. So you can subscribe, and let's see in what time we can reach 500 subscriber. So right now I'm leaving.